If y'all can tell, but I'm sweating. Getting it out of that box. Took everything, all the gas out of me. About to do the rest of the stuff. I may have lost the instructions, so I hope the instructions are in here. Oh, let me see. Jeez, please. Oh, it's just the certificate of authenticity. I will hang on to that. Anywho, now it's time for the supports. I'm big on instructions, but it says hi there, you can view or download instructions, so I guess they've opted for digital instructions now, so that's exactly what I'm doing. On the website, looking at the instructions, because your girl is not gonna mess up PDF. I was like, they have videos. I'm not a video follower. I like words. I have no idea how I'm supposed to make this stand up. I'm trying, y'all. I don't like that I don't know where to put them exactly. Like, where should they be? Because at this point I'm just guessing. Okay, so it's supposed to be 18 inches in, so I'm gonna use my app, my measuring app on my phone. Platform all set, and now I gotta figure out this ratchet stuff. So in order to put the bed to make it stay together, you have to use these ratchet things to hook around the hardware on the bottom, and I'm gonna just make sure I know how to do that right. The red.
Cause your girl is not gonna mess up.
Y'all, I'm confused. What? Okay, y'all, so finally put the freaking thing together. The ratchets gave me a run for my money, but YouTube always gonna help a girl out. So I used YouTube, found out how to put the ratchets on. It is secure and all together. I can move it without it like coming apart very easily, super easily. It's not heavy either. It's funny because that box almost broke my back. Here's the bed. I'm gonna go get the mattress. I'll check back in with y'all when the bed is made. I'm back to y'all when we're done. Oh my gosh, wow, this is the workout I didn't ask for but that I needed. Okay, I'm back. So it's been like 3 hours since I finished the bed frame and put the mattress on here. The mattress was ridiculous. Finally got the mattress on here, made the bed. I let the mattress sit for 3 hours because it had to like inflate and stuff. And then I made the bed. Feeling a few different things right now. Let me let y'all know what they are. So as far as the bed frame is concerned, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. It's so easy to move. I thought that might be an issue, but it's so easy to move across the floor. It was pretty easy to put together aside from the ratchet part, because I was like, what the heck do I do here? Overall, I love it. I think that it's perfect. It's very chill, and I think that I will grow with the bed and I won't like outgrow it, if that makes sense. I feel like previously I bought things that I've outgrown, and I don't think I'll outgrow this bed. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend. It might be expensive. Is it too expensive for 3 planks of wood? Yes, probably so, but I like it, so whatever. And then the duvet that you see, the duvet is from Buffy, and it's the eucalyptus duvet cover. It's very soft. It's very like sheen, which is nice. I did just move in. I need to add stuff to the walls and stuff like that, so I think that will help it pop a lot more, but right now it's just looking very dull. In real life it looks pretty yellow. I don't know if y'all can see the comparison. I got this from Buffy, and it's like a really cute cylindrical pillow, and I like her. It's also like very comfy. Also, this bed is amazing, and I know it's not even in its final form yet, but it feels so good. So even though y'all took forever, Nectar, to send me my bed, it is very soft, I must say. I'm just figuring out how I'm gonna build the rest of my room, so I'm really excited to build off of these pieces. I didn't want to buy too much yet because I want to see how everything fits in the room. I want another vibe. Like right now it's looking like I need to buy some stuff that's gonna make the room pop. So now that I know that, I can make sure that's what I'm doing. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like. Make sure you comment any questions about anything that you see in this video. Subscribe, okay? Thanks. All right, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.